Hi everyone, LACCS here. Today we are taking on a crucial part of our renovation. We are installing this huge, massive 36 feet long LVL beam. This engineered wood is the key for structural integrity, offering strength and support. To put this beam into place, we are using a telehandler. This is to lift heavy loads and a significant height. As you can see right now, you're doing it. This beam will provide the necessary support for a new open concept layout, removing the need for load-bearing wall. Right now I'm standing in the old kitchen. As you can see, walls were there. We had load-bearing walls. This LVL beam will sit on this corner of the wall and the other side of the corner of the wall. Thanks to the LVL beam right now being installed, we'll be able to remove all the load-bearing wall to create a big open space, open kitchen concept, big living room, more light. Even the ceiling will be removed in order to have a voltage ceiling everywhere. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.